Multicam editing in Premiere lets you sync multiple camera angles into one source sequence so you can switch between angles in real time while playing back your timeline, which is great for anything with multiple cameras.
Multi-cam editing for multiple cameras.
Say you have a video podcast with 3 cameras rolling at the same time. With the shots inside my project, I'll select all 3 clips, right-click, and choose Create Multi-Camera Source Sequence. You'll see a few important options. First, sequence name. This is what the new multicam source sequence will be called. Pick a clear or clever name like multicam sequence.
Imagination unlocks the future.
Next is sync point. This tells Premiere how to line up your clips. You can sync by in point or out point, time code, or audio. If your camera's recorded the same audio, using audio is usually the easiest way to sync everything automatically. Sequence preset controls the settings for the new sequence like resolution and frame rate. Usually you're gonna leave this as is. Then there's audio. Here you choose which audio track Premiere should use as the main soundtrack. But no need to worry too much about that since you can change it later. But now we'll click OK, and Premiere will create your multicam source sequence. This is a nested sequence containing all of your clips synced and ready to switch between. To use it, drag the multicam sequence into a new timeline like any other clip, then go to the program monitor, click the plus button on the lower right-hand corner, and add the multi-camera view so you can see all your angles at once. And now when you play the timeline, you can click between camera angles in real time to create your edits. Or you can press the number keys on your keyboard to switch angles as you play as well. And Premiere will automatically cut clips as you switch, giving you a clean multicam edit. These edits will appear after you pause playback as well, so don't worry if you're not noticing them at first. You're also not stuck to your live performance. You can, of course, refine these cuts later by trimming clips or moving cut points just like you would with any other edit. One big advantage of multicam sequences is that you can color correct each camera individually inside the multicam source sequence. So you can open the multicam sequence by holding Control on Windows or Command on Mac, then select your clip and apply your color correction. After that, you can add an adjustment layer above your multicam sequence in your main timeline to apply an overall grade for the final look of the entire scene. This helps keep your color consistent while having the option for easy adjustments later. If you ever need to swap clips or add new angles later, you can replace clips inside the multicam source sequence, and your edits on the timeline will update automatically. You can also enable or disable cameras in the program monitor if you only want to focus on a few angles while editing. But that's it, a pretty simple and fun way to wrangle a multicam shoot. If you have any questions or want to suggest a topic that you would like to see us cover, leave that in the comments down below. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, bye!